Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to charge your Tagry Bluetooth headphones true wireless earbuds. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the Tagry headphones. How do you actually go ahead and charge them? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you want to understand is that with your Tagry headphones, there's actually two different components. You have your earbuds and then you have your charging case. Your charging case actually charges your earbuds, and then what you actually need to charge is your Tagry case. Now, in order to charge it, you need to make sure that you have a USB-C cable that looks like this. So it is the thicker one as compared to a lightning cable, which is the skinnier one. So as you can see, there is a difference between the two. Now, with your Tagry headphones, you just need to go ahead and plug it in order to charge it, and then it will automatically charge. Now, one thing to keep note of is that your Tagry headphones actually support wireless charging. So as you can see right now, it's charging the earbuds, but if you place it on a wireless charging pad, you'll see that it starts to charge the case. So that right there, guys, is how to charge your Tagry wireless earbuds. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.